Welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. Today we are going to make a beautiful bracelet with the beads that we got from the September treasury bags from the Potomac Beads Company. These components and the red crystals came in the September treasury bags. The rest of the materials I'm going to be using, they are from different boxes. If you get in your boxes every month, you should have all the materials to make this bracelet. We also going to be using chain. Same thing, I got it from the Potomac Beads. For my bracelet, I'm going to be using these J beads, the components, the chain, and 22 gauge wire. I'm going to be using a lobster clasp. We also are going to be using all beads. To start, we are going to pick up one of our components. We are going to pass the wire. We are going to pick up one O bead, our 8 millimeter, and one more O bead. We are going to pass the wire through the second hole. We are going to bend one side of the wire just to keep our beads in place, or you can also make the loop first. We are going to place our pliers. We are going to bend the wire. We are going to put our pliers on top of the wire. Bring the wire towards you. Rotate the pliers and continue until your wire touch the pliers. We are going to use the chain. I'm going to cut some pieces with 3 links. I just want to use it to separate my components. We are going to grab the chain and we are going to slide it inside the loop. We are ready to close our loop. You are going to wrap around twice. This doesn't have to be perfect. There are some artists that actually like the messy look, so that's going to be up to you. We are going to cut the excess wire and we are going to tack the end to avoid having any sharp edges. We are going to repeat the same step on the other side. Place your pliers. Bend the wire. Place your pliers on top of the wire. Bring the wire towards you. Rotate the pliers and continue until your wire touches the pliers. We are going to place our chain inside the loop and we can go ahead and wrap around. We are going to continue repeating these steps until we add the 5 links that we have. I already added 4 links. So for this one, I'm going to add a longer piece of chain, and that depends on you. How long do you want it? This is going to be to hold our clasp. We are going to add this as an accent bead at the end of the chain. Go ahead and insert your chain, and we are ready to close our loop. Cut the excess wire and tack the end in. It's time for us to add a toggle clasp. And close your loop. We are going to cut the excess wire, and we are done with our bracelet. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to visit the Potomac Bead Company so you can get all your supplies. It's time to try our bracelet. And as you can see, it's beautiful. I love it. It's really easy to make. Until next time, thank you.